Now it's your turn to practice the online observer technique. So you've seen me do it and you know what it looks like, and it's important that you do it yourself so you can gain that confidence and that experience. Plus, I think it's really fun. So the first thing we want to do is I want you to choose an audience that you want to learn more about. If you already have a project that you're working on, then I highly encourage you to choose that as your audience, because you're most genuinely interested about learning about that audience, and by doing this, it's going to benefit you once you're finished with this course. But if you don't already have a specific target market or audience that you want to work with, then you can just use the audience of people that want to become copywriters or people that want to become freelance copywriters. And then what you're going to do is you're going to find the most relevant marketplaces using the cheat sheet that's attached to this video. And in that cheat sheet, you're just going to see some of my favorite online marketplaces. But like I mentioned before, feel free to go to any other online marketplaces where you think that you'll find your target market. And once you get to those marketplaces, you're going to identify the top pain points that keep coming up. In other words, what's the common thread that you see through all of your customers or people in your target market talking about your niche? And then you're also going to open up a blank document and copy and paste as much of your customer's language as you can. And the more of their language that's speaking directly to the pain points they're experiencing that you can grab, the better. Pause this video now and don't move on until you finish this mini mission. Congratulations. That's awesome. You've just completed this mini mission. And by now, you've learned one of the most powerful tools that I have ever come across in my years of doing this to help you become a better copywriter. This is a secret weapon that the majority of people that are writing copy don't use. It's so easy, it's so powerful, and now that you've actually done it yourself, I don't have to convince you of this because you've actually had that direct experience, and hopefully you had fun with it. In this video, you practice the online observer technique.